7 factors that affect car insurance rates in 2021. You may not have full access to how auto insurance carriers determine your rates. However, the process doesn't have to be mysterious. We break down the 7 most important things that affect your car insurance rates. Factors that affect your car insurance rates. 1. Level of insurance coverage. 2. Deductible amount. 3. Demographics, including marital status. 4. Driving record/history. 5. Annual mileage. 6. Car make and model. 7. Zip code. 1. Level of insurance coverage. When considering your auto insurance costs, the level of insurance you choose is one of the most important factors to how much you'll pay. This is also something that drivers/policyholders can control. Drivers can choose policies that cover liability, collision, uninsured motorists, or comprehensive coverage. Choosing a higher level of coverage means that your insurance costs will be higher. Conversely, you can lower your costs by reducing your coverage, but this can mean you'll assume a higher level of risk. In California, all you're legally required to carry by the state is $15,000 bodily injury per person, $30,000 total bodily injury coverage per accident, and only $5,000 in property damage coverage. Your monthly cost with basic liability coverage can be as low as $30. However, rates vary from company to company, and it's best to work with an insurance broker like Prism Insurance Agency because we shop multiple carriers for you. Keep in mind that there are lender requirements that may determine the types of coverage you're required to have if you have a loan on your car. Usually they require you to have a comprehensive and collision coverage deductible of $1,000 or lower. 2. Amount of your deductible. Car insurance rates are also affected by your decision to choose a high deductible policy or a low deductible policy. Policies with higher deductibles will have lower monthly costs. Conversely, low deductible policies will have higher monthly rates. In some cases, it's a smarter move to pay more for a low deductible policy. Learn how to choose your car insurance deductible to identify the sweet spot between cost versus risk by talking with your Prism Insurance Agency agent. The most common deductible levels are $500 and $1,000. If you chose to go with the lower of the two, you can expect your average 6-month premium to be higher. However, if you go with a $1,000 deductible, you'll pay less for the same policy in all other areas. 3. Demographics. Your demographics will also affect your car insurance rates. Insurance companies use statistical modeling to identify which characteristics are more likely to lead to bigger claims, and they set your rates accordingly. Age. Teen drivers pay the highest car insurance rates. The impact of age is significant, with teen drivers paying at least $400 more on average than other age groups. The lowest average insurance rates are for drivers between 25 and 34, and rates start to increase again for older drivers over age 50. Gender. The gender of drivers and/or policyholders is not used in California at all. Marital status. Marital status can impact automobile insurance rates. Many insurers consider married drivers as more financially stable and safer on the road. As a result, a married driver pays on average about $100 less per year for car insurance than a single, widowed, or divorced driver. 4. Driving record/history. A clean driving record helps you get the lowest rates, and many auto insurance companies provide a safe driver discount that could reduce the cost of your policy by 40%. Insurers will check motor vehicle records to look for any red flags such as high-risk traffic violations. Patterns of behavior such as repeated speeding tickets can cause rates to double. The increase can be even worse for a DUI or reckless driving charge. Defensive driving classes can also help mitigate any rate hikes related to previous traffic tickets or driving violations. From the perspective of many car insurers, drivers who previously filed a car insurance claim would be more likely to file a claim in the future. Some drivers with a previous claim can see their rates increase by 30% or more. Changing providers can often help you avoid this rate hike, but not always, since many auto insurers search the industry-wide Claim Loss Underwriting Exchange (CLUE) to identify past claims. Many companies only look for claims made in the past 3 years. However, some look back 5 years, and others can look at 10 years worth of your driving history. If you do have a previous car insurance claim, rest assured that your Prism Insurance Agency agent knows how best to shop carriers to reduce how previous claims affect your premium costs. 5. Annual mileage. Car insurers will definitely consider your annual mileage and commuting distance when setting your rates. Low mileage drivers can get lower rates because they're less likely to make a claim since they are on the road less. The Federal Highway Administration reports that the average driver clocks about 14,263 miles per year in its latest study in 2019. California runs about the same. It can help you find the best plan for your annual mileage. For example, a 25-mile drive to work each way adds up to 13,000 miles per year, likely indicating a high mileage driver after adding in other driving miles for things like grocery shopping, travel, visiting friends/family and other errands. 6. Car make and model. Car insurance companies use a car's make and model information to determine the cost of your car. This helps them know how much money is on the line if the car is totaled and they have to replace it or repair it. Drivers will have higher rates for flashy or expensive vehicles such as sports cars, luxury vehicles, or electric cars. Insurance could also be higher on cars that are most often the target of crime. 7. Zip code. Car insurance pricing models can be very granular. Insurers use your zip code to look at the crime rates of where you park your car at night. They'll also use location information to look at environmental threats such as wildfires. Low crime or rural areas tend to mean lower car insurance rates than urban or other high-risk neighborhoods. If you're looking to lower your car insurance premiums, start with deductibles and discounts. Talking to your Prism insurance agent is always the best place to start by calling or texting us at 951-243-2800 or going to our website www.myprisminsurance.com.